Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this look. This look was inspired by Hailey Bieber's sun-kissed look, which everyone is crazy about. I just did this look using a handful of products. All the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. And now let's get started with the tutorial. But before we get started, I want to talk to you about my favorite lipsticks in recent times. I use this lipstick range as my blush, as my eyeshadow, and also as my lipstick. And I am in love with all the shades. So introducing Mamaearth's Hydra Matte Crayon Transfer Proof Lipstick, which has rich color payoff that lasts throughout the day while hydrating for 12 hours. And it is enriched with the goodness of argan oil, which nourishes the lips and protects them from dryness. And it's also got hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates the lips. It's a one-stroke application and glides on easily and feels very light and comfortable to wear on a daily basis. It's waterproof and transfer proof, and it's got 12 hours of hydration and 12 hours long stay. These are made safe certified, so you can wear it on a daily basis. It's a proof of no toxins, chemicals and parabens, and there are 7 beautiful shades to wear every single day. Every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as part of this initiative. Mamaearth has their official app, the iOS and Android links to which are in the description. App users get early access to sales and hence get extra discounts. Coupon code is valid on the website and the app too. So use my coupon code SUSH2023 for 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app. And it's also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now let's get started with the video. So the first thing I'm gonna use is a primer. Use whatever primer works for you. If it's a glowy dewy primer, then it is better. And we just want a very beautiful, healthy glow. That's what we're going for. I am going to list all the products in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And look how beautiful and glowy my skin looks. You can use whatever products you already have. Next, I'm going to use a foundation, and I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation first and then apply it all over my face. You can also use a BB cream if you want. BB creams also give a very light coverage and it looks very, very natural. The foundation that I am using, it just gives a very skin-like look. If you use a small quantity, you'll get light to medium coverage, which I absolutely love. So I'm just going to use an orange color corrector because I've got pigmentation on the sides of my forehead and also on my under eye area before I move on with the concealer. So now that I have the color correction done on my forehead, I'll just continue with the foundation on my forehead. Look how beautiful and glowy my face looks. I'm just going to use a concealer on my under eye area. I'm just going to use a good amount of concealer. If you want, you can use a little less or a little more as per your requirements. And I always love blending the concealer with my fingers. I don't use a brush because I feel like the warmth of my fingers, it just helps to melt the concealer more. And it just gives a beautiful finish. This one's a medium to full coverage concealer. If you want, you can use light coverage or medium coverage or whatever you want. So you just need to play with makeup. You just need to use whatever you need. I love using this concealer. It just gives a very full coverage and it blends easily. It just blends like a dream. Again, all the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now, since I am done with my concealer, I'm just going to set it with a powder, and I'm just going to push the product in on my under eye area and just press the product on my under eye area, and will just give a very beautiful airbrush finish. If you want to set any other area of your face, you can go ahead and do it right now. So my base is done and I love how flawless it looks. Now the look that we're going for today is not about contouring, it's just about, you know, creating that beautiful, healthy glow, the Hailey Bieber glow, which everybody is crazy about. So I have to do my eyebrows first. I'm just going to comb my hair a little and then taking my eyebrow pencil, I'm just going to fill in any gaps that I have, not changing the shape or anything. Now if you want, you can set your eyebrow hair. I love doing that because then my eyebrow hair does not budge, it just stays the way it is. Okay, now since we have a clean base, let's move on with the blush, the eyeshadow and the lipstick. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Mamaearth Hydro Matte Crayon Transfer Proof Lipstick. This is a beautiful brown shade which I'm going to use on top of my eyelids. It will look beautiful, and I love using crayon lipsticks as my eyeshadow. And you just have to blend it with your fingers. It just looks so beautiful, and it just looks like you've got this natural eyelid color. The same thing I'm going to do is on my under eye area. And I'm just going to blend it again with my fingers. It hardly took 10 seconds. That's it for the eyeshadow. For the lipstick and for the cheeks, I've got the lipstick in the same range. Again, I'll mention the shade names down below, so I'll just apply it on my cheeks. Wow, I love this color on my cheeks as a blush. And it does not even take much time to blend. It just blends super easily. And who doesn't love multi-purpose products? Like, I love to use a lipstick as an eyeshadow, as a blush. I'm just gonna pick some more lipstick from the back of my hand and put it on my nose and then blend it. So this is the sun-kissed look that we're trying to achieve. So makeup is not about, you know, complicated makeup stuffs like you have to have an eyeliner on or you have to have a heavy eye makeup on. It's not about that. It's just about, you know, what suits you, and makeup can be as simple as you want. It need not be complicated, and these days I'm loving the nude looks. So I am just going to use this same lipstick on my lips, and oh my god, just look at the color. It's an absolutely stunning color. The color is absolutely gorgeous. And then I am going to apply a mascara. I'm going to apply the mascara on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going with the highlighter. The highlighter is very, very important. So I'm just going to highlight all the high points of my face, like cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and the middle of my forehead. I'm also going to apply the highlighter on my brow bone area. This is such a glowy, dewy look. Everything looks minimal, and that is what we want. It is Saraswati Puja, guys, so it just needs to be minimal, nothing over the top, just you and your natural beauty. I am going to put some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, so the eyes look a little awake and fresh. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of highlighter on top of my eyelids so that the look is all glowy and dewy. I'm going to apply a little bit more blush. Alright guys, that's it. That is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and found this helpful. If you did, then do like this tutorial and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel right now. I wish you all a very happy Saraswati Puja, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.